Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the latest financial news and trends. Today we're focusing on Shopify, NYSE Shop, which has made some headlines recently. Let's break down the key updates and what they mean for investors. Shopify announced its Q1 2024 financial results, showcasing impressive growth. Revenue increased by 23.4% year over year, reaching $186 billion. This growth was driven by a 33% increase in gross profit, now at $957 million. Digging deeper into the revenue breakdown, subscription solutions contributed $511 million, up from $382 million last year. Merchant solutions also saw a significant rise, hitting $1.35 billion compared to $1.13 billion in the previous year. Operating expenses were a mixed bag. While sales and marketing costs increased to $361 million, research and development expenses actually decreased to $335 million from $458 million. Overall, total operating expenses slightly declined to $871 million from $910 million last year. Net income tells an interesting story. Shopify reported a net loss of $273 million for Q1 2024, compared to a net income of $68 million in Q1 2023. This loss is largely attributed to a significant other expense of $342 million, likely tied to investments and market fluctuations. Looking at the balance sheet, Shopify's total assets stood at $11.1 billion, a slight decrease from $11.3 billion at the end of 2023. Notably, cash and cash equivalents increased to $162 billion, providing a strong liquidity position. On the innovation front, Shopify continues to enhance its platform. Recently, the company launched updates to its Hydrogen framework, aiming to improve developer experiences and site performance. That's a wrap on Shopify's latest updates. Their robust revenue growth and strategic innovations are promising, but the recent net loss and stock price volatility are key factors to watch. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. See you next time.